Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove database mirroring in SQL Server. So in previous video, we have learned about the how to create the database mirroring, how to configure the database mirroring in SQL Server. So now we are going to forward on that, and here we'll see how to remove the database mirroring in SQL Server. If one database is mirrored to the mirror server, and we want to bring the online for the second server, so we'll do with the how to remove the database mirroring in SQL Server. So we'll just go through the using SSMS SQL Server Management Studio, and here we'll learn how to remove database mirroring, how to take last transaction backup log backup, and how to how to restore mirror database with the transaction log, and we'll bring the database mirror database online. Okay, so let's go one by one. Let me open SQL Server Management Studio. I will open two SQL Server Management Studio. One I will connect with the principal server, and second I'll connect with the mirror server. So let me open two SQL Server Management Studio. One is already open, second one I am opening. So left side I will just consider the principal server. So this is my first database server, first SQL Server Management Studio. This second one, first side I'll just connect with the primary DB. So this is my Chirag Lappy primary DB. I will connect with that. And second side I will connect with the second server. This is secondary DB or mirror DB. So both the instances are connected. So this database is mirroring there. You can able to see the mirror DB test, and there is a mirror DB test, and this is the principal and synchronize. This is a mirror synchronize and restoring. So I want to remove this database with the mirroring. So see properly, this is a principal and synchronize. So right click on your database, go to the task, and go to the properties. Click on mirroring. Here you can able to see your database is in mirroring, and status is synchronize the database as fully synchronized. So there is an option is remove mirroring. So we can remove the mirroring from here. So just click on the remove mirroring. It will ask you the want to remove the mirroring of the database. If you click yes, then it will remove the mirroring. So click OK and click OK. Now refresh the database. So principal and synchronize is gone away. So now my database is not in mirroring state. And if you go to the right side, then if you right click on database and click on refresh, so you will get the only restoring. So here we all remove the database. Now I am going to take the last transaction backup. So right click on your principal database, go to the task backup. So I'm taking last transaction backup. Last trans. So this is my mirror test DB last transaction backup dot trn. Let me create. Okay. Go to the backup option. Select transaction log. Media option. Override all the existing backup set. Go to the general and click on OK. So backup is created. Now I'm just going to restore that backup to my mirror server with recovery. So go right click on that, go to the task, go to the restore transaction log. From device, click here, click add, go to your particular path, that is a D drive, and this one last transaction backup. Click on OK. OK, go to the option, click on restore with recovery. So click on OK. So database restore successfully. Now refresh this one. You can able to see the database. You can open the database. You can run the query. So everything is working fine. So in this video, we have learned how to remove database mirroring in SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio. Then how to remove the database mirroring, how to take last transaction backup. We took the last transaction backup, and we restore that backup to the with mirror database, and now our database is online. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.